Look at the magic book. Look at the magic book.
The room is moving.
The room is moving. My
Cookie is
flying. My cookie is flying.
Hold. My hand. Hold my hand.
We are going inside. We are going inside. We land on a cloud. We land on a cloud.
that tower is leaning.
Leaning.
That tower is leaning.
The big bell is quiet. The big bell is quiet. I need help now. I need help now. This is Sky Tower. This is Sky Tower.
The cloud is breaking. The cloud is breaking. Puffo is very soft. Puffo is very soft.
The feather is up there. The feather is up there.
The door goes around. The door goes around.
We follow pictures. We follow the pictures.
Up means go higher. Up means go higher. I go up now. I go up now. The cloud is bouncy. The cloud is bouncy. Who is laughing there? Who is laughing there? Look, he's waving.
Wind thief has it. A wind thief has it. He looks small and silly. He looks small and silly.
You cannot catch me.
We need a good plan. We need a good plan.
First, find the stairs. First, find the stairs.
Then go to the top. Then go to the top. Do we catch bananas? Do we catch bananas?
No, take the feather. No, take the feather.
This rope is too long. This rope is too long.
Dad looks like noodles.
Dad looks like noodles.
Stay calm and breathe. Stay calm and breathe.
Pull left, not right. Pull left, not right.
I am free again. I am free again.
The tower has 3 tests. The tower has 3 tests. We must work together. We must work together.
I can be brave. I can be brave. Puffo makes a bridge.
Step. Step on the bridge. Step on the bridge.
It feels like pudding. pudding! It feels like pudding!
Do not jump too much. Do not jump too much.
Ben flies over us.
I can see everything. I can see everything. Puffo catches Ben softly. Look, he's so happy.
The feather is mine. The feather is mine. He runs inside the tower. He runs inside the tower.
Let us go inside. Let us go inside. The
Floor is spinning.
Walk slowly, everyone. Walk slowly, everyone.
Hold the wall.
please.
Hold the wall, please.
Turn left at the star. Turn left at the star. I turned
The.
wrong way.
I turned the wrong way.
Ben slides down fast.
Fast.
Ben slides down fast.
Puffo saves him again.
Again.
Puffo saves him again.
The first test
Is.
directions. The first test is directions.
Point to the left. Point to the left. The arrows
R.
dancing. The arrows are dancing.
Look at my hand. Look at my hand.
The.
The
Left door opens. The left door opens.
the
Stairs are growing. The stairs are growing.
my legs are tired. My legs are tired. Small steps are okay. Small steps are okay. Something has my
Foot.
Something has my foot. Ah. Ooh. A tickle vine got Ben.
Hold the rope.
Now.
Hold the rope now.
Puffo is under Ben.
That was soft and funny.
Thank you, Brave. Puffo. Thank you, Brave Puffo.
The floor is very slippery.
My head is in.
A bucket.
My head is in a bucket.
Dad.
Has bucket.
Hair. Dad has bucket hair.
This is not
The time.
the time. This is not the time.
Go. Under the arch. Go under the arch. I go under the arch. I go under the arch. Dad. Dad is stuck again.
Dad is stuck again.
Move back, then down. Move back, then down.
I can.
Move.
Again. I can move again.
The storm room is here.
The wheels are too fast. The wheels are too fast. Catch
If
you can. Catch me if you can. The wind pushes me. The wind pushes me.
I have your shirt. I have your shirt.
I have you both.
Both.
I have you both.
The feather is floating. Ah!
Puffo, fly under it. Puffo, fly under it.
Puffo holds the feather.
The dark cloud is waking.
The tower
Is
tilting. Oh! The tower is tilting. Everyone, pull together.
Pull. Down, pull. Down.
Put the feather in.
The bell rings loudly. It's beautiful.
The sky is blue again. The sky is blue again. I am sorry, friends. I am sorry, friends. You can help us. You can help us.
I can clean the bell. I can clean the bell.
That bell is loud. That bell is loud. Oh my gosh.
This,
is for
you. This is for you.
Puffo wants one more hug. Puffo wants one more hug.
The book is calling. The book is calling.
Goodbye, Sky Tower friends. Goodbye, Sky Tower friends.
We
are
home.
again.
We are home again. Today we learned directions. Today we learned directions.
Up means go higher. Up means go higher.
Down means go lower. Down means go lower.
Left is this side. Left is this side. Right is that side. Right is that side.
Go inside the
The
tower. Go inside the tower.
Come outside
now.
now. Come outside now.
Go under the arch. Go under the arch. Go over the bridge. Go over the bridge.
Hold the rope tightly.
Walk slowly and
Carefully.
walk slowly and carefully.
Do not look down. Do not look down. Pull the rope down. Pull the rope down.
Push the door open. Push the door open.
Step on the stone. Step on the stone.
My foot is stuck. My foot is stuck. Ah! Puffo is under me. Puffo is under me.
The feather is up there. The feather is up there.
The bell is loud.
Loud.
The bell is loud.
We work together. We work together. Quiz time starts now. Quiz time starts now. Touch your head, please. Touch your head, please.
Point to your left. Point to your left.
Point to your
Right.
point to your right.
This is my left. Oh. This is my left? No, that is right. No, that is right.
Put the book on table. Put the book on table.
Put
The
cup
cup.
under chair. Put the cup under chair.
Put the sock in box. Put the sock in box. Take
The
feather out. Take the feather out.
What did Luma lose? What did Luma lose?
She lost the wind feather. She lost the wind feather.
who?
Caught.
Ben. Softly.
Who caught Ben softly? Puffo caught
Ben.
softly. Puffo caught Ben softly.
What did Whizzle say? What did Whizzle say? Whizzle said, just follow the humming.
The feather is mine. Say it slowly together. Say it slowly together. Up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right.
I am
Proud.
of us. I am proud of us.
Learning can
Be an
adventure. Learning can be an adventure.
The book is glowing again. The book is glowing again. Not
another.
windy tower. Not another windy tower.
Maybe
It
is safe. Maybe it is safe.
Look at the new picture.
the new
Look at the new picture.
a moon train is coming. A moon train is coming. Wow, a moon train. I hear a tiny train. I hear a tiny train.
The floor has tracks. The floor has tracks.
The star feather is shining. The star feather is shining.
The tunnel looks alive. The tunnel looks alive. All aboard the magic train. All aboard the magic train.